back to Miss Rika J. de Peñamba.
This is Rika J. de Peñamba, 21 years old, and I am from DONSOL, SORSOGON. Today, I am going to show you the Alitap-tap folk dance. The Alitap-tap folk dance is a traditional dance of the Tagalog region. It is also known as the firefly dance, as it imitates the movement of a firefly as it flits and flickers every night. This is what I want to do because upon researching, I have learned that our Babaylan uses not just the torch and the gasera, but they also use the alitap-tap to light the way they want to go on. This is my talent because both of the alitap-tap folk dance and the Babaylan has a contribution to the rich cultural tapestry of our country. Ladies and gentlemen, alitap-tap folk dance.